Want to switch Roblox account location? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. Now, you're not able to change the location in the Roblox app itself, so what you want to do is open up any web browser, then search Contact Us Roblox. Now, go ahead and tap on the Contact Us option, which will take you to help.roblox.com. Scroll down a bit, and here you will find the option of support form. Select that. Now you will have to enter your details over here. The first thing you want to do is enter your username. Then you want to enter your first name. After that, you need to enter your email address. After entering your email address, you need to enter the issue details. Now select your device type. Then select the type of help category. Select how to for this. Now tap on subcategory and here select how to change my location. Now you will need to describe your issue here. You want to mention that you want to change your location. Also make sure to enter your new location over here and also enter any other account details. After that, tap on the continue option. Now Roblox support team will check your problem and then they will help you switch Roblox account location after verifying your details. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.